everyone, welcome back to the OmogeMuRa YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I am going to be showing you a Black Panther inspired makeup tutorial. Actually, it's not even inspired, it's literally a recreation. If you have already watched Black Panther, if you haven't, I think it's well over, just go and fix up. Just go and watch the film and fix up. In the movie, Layla Wright, I hope I'm saying her name correctly, if I'm remembering correctly, stars Princess Shuri, who is T'Challa's younger sister, who is fly. I love Shuri. Shuri is what I wish I was at her age. So this is a makeup tutorial based on Princess Shuri's look in the Black Panther poster and also during the main battle scene. Now, of course, the look is fantastic and fabulous without the white dots. But you guys know I am hella extra and I just had to do the dots. Before I begin today's video, please do me a favor and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We are almost at 2,000 subscribers. And click on the notification bell so you can be part of the notification squad and you'll be able to get notifications about all the videos I upload on my YouTube channel. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started in this Princess Shuri recreation makeup tutorial. Let's get started. So I am starting off this look with my eyes and I'm prepping my eyelids using some concealer and I'm blending it out with my flat foundation brush. The eyeshadow palette I'm going to be using is the Makeup Revolution Iconic Vitality palette, and I'm first going to go in with this brownish orange shade with a fluffy brush, and this is going to be my transition shade. Then I'm taking another blending brush and blending out the edges to make sure everything is nice and neat. Then I'm taking this pinkish brownish shade, I really don't know what to call this shade, and I'm taking this specifically to my crease. I want my crease area to have a really nice transition of shades and colors, so I'm doing that. I'm also going back in with that first shade just to blend out the edges. I want this look to be really neat. Then I'm taking a crease brush and taking this dark brown shade and I'm applying it directly to my outer V area, and then I'm going back in with that second shade that we used to blend out the edges. For the lid, I'm taking the NYX White Pearl base and I'm going to be applying this in a cut crease way on my eyelid. Then I'm taking this purple eyeshadow from the Zaran Firecracker palette and applying it all over my lid where I placed that eyeshadow base. Then I'm going back in with that brownish pinkish shade to kind of further define the cut crease because it got lost, but we're putting it back. Then I'm going back in with that other blending brush to blend out the edges. Then I'm going to take some black shadow and I'm going to pop this right into the outer V of my eye just to add a little more definition, and I'm blending out that black shadow with a fluffy crease brush. Then I'm going to go back in with that second pinkish brown shade and blend it out. For mascara, I'm going to be using the Lancome Monsieur Big Mascara. I love this mascara because it gives my eyelashes a lot of volume. Then I'm going to top it off with a little bit of the Zaran Lengthening Mascara just to add a little bit of length. For my waterline, I'm going to be using the Coty Cosmetics Kajal Liner. Now onto the face, I'm first going to start off with the Zaran Cosmetics Primer. And then I'm going to set the primer with my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade Dark. For foundation, I'm going to be mixing the Ordinary the Ordinary Full Coverage Foundation with the Black Opal Perfecting Primer to give me a full coverage look but with a glow. I love using the Perfecting Primer because it gives my skin a glow, and the Ordinary is one of my favorite full coverage foundations, so it just works perfectly together. For concealer, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C13. Yeah, C13, that's the name of the shade. And I'm going to be applying this to my forehead, under my eyes, my chin, and blending it out with a Pearl Luxury Beauty sponge. Then I'm going to set those areas using the Makeup Revolution but luxury powder in the shade Banana. I really love how these two products work together. Like, they work so well together, and it just gives me a beautiful smooth base. Then I'm setting the rest of my face with the Maybelline Loose Finishing Powder. For blush, I'm going to be taking this blush from Lache Cosmetics, and it's called Raisin Cane. It's like a beautiful pinkish brownish blush, and it looks so pretty. For highlight, I'm using the Milani Baked Bronzer in the shade Soleil, and I'm only applying this to my cheekbones because this look isn't about the glow. This look is more about the white dots, so the highlights is not really the focus of the look. To finish up my eyes, I'm just using the Zaran Mascara for my bottom lashes. For the lips, I'm taking the Zaran Cosmetics lipstick pen in the shade Maxim. It's like a really nice burgundy shade, and I'm using it to fill my entire lip area. So this is the look without the dots. It's a perfect look it's a perfectly cute look you can go out, but we have to add the dots. So for the white dots, I'm going to take this face paint from this face paint palette that I bought for Halloween last year. I can't wait to use it. And then I'm just going to be following the dots that are on her face. The first time I did this look, I was looking at the picture, so I knew exactly where the dots were supposed to go. But because like I've done this look before, I didn't need to look at the picture. So if you are trying to recreate a look, make sure you have the picture on hand to help you out, so that you know what you're doing and you're just not like creating a mess on your face. For the lips, I'm going to take this really tiny lip brush that I have, and I'm going to apply the white paint all the way down the middle of my bottom lip and to my chin. The first time I did this look, I actually didn't connect the lines. I only did 2 separate lines. This is the finished look. I hope you guys really like it. Do let me know what you think in the comment section below. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe if you haven't. And see you in my next video. Bye! Nobody ever loved me like you do, Hold up. She wild, I'm in danger. Hold up. My crowd in rotation. Hey, are you on 10 yet? Are you on 10 yet? Hey, are you on 10 yet? Are you on 10 yet? Are you on 10 yet? You've been running through my section all day. You've been running through my mind all day, all day, all day, all day, all day. I'm only one nigga, but I'ma take you everywhere. You know I swear, cover girl. Watch me do you whip. Watch me do my shit. You're dead to me. You're dead to me. You're dead to me. I move like a millipede. Hey, hey, 22 or 23. I'm heavy with the heat. Hey, hit you with the top. Paramedic can't say you really in the. Miss me with that bullshit. You ain't getting down. You're a tourist. Hey, be blacking out. I'm a purist. Then I feel it. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my word, oh my God, hey. Oh my word, oh my gosh, oh my word.